Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to create your very own ebook all from scratch using just Google Docs and Canva. Whether you're an aspiring author, a small business owner looking to share tips, or just want to package your knowledge into something beautiful and shareable, by the end of this video you'll know how to put together a polished ebook, ready to share or even sell. No graphic design or tech wizardry needed, I'll show you the ropes step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First up, we're heading over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a fantastic free tool that makes design super approachable, even for beginners. Go ahead and open Canva in your browser. You can use the free version for this, no need to upgrade. Once you're in, look for the button that says Create, usually up near the top right corner. Give that a click. From here, you'll see a lot of options for what you can make, but what we want is Docs. Select Docs. This is basically Canva's take on a document creator, kind of similar to Google Docs, but with some beautiful design extras built right in. Now this is where things start getting fun. Canva actually offers a variety of templates designed to make your ebook look professional and eye-catching. You don't have to start with a blank page unless you want to. Browse through their templates and find one that fits the vibe of your ebook. For example, if you're creating a travel guide, maybe you'll pick something with photos and bold headings. If it's a recipe collection, look for something clean and easy to read. Don't rush this part, finding the right template now saves you a lot of tweaking later. Next, let's talk about gathering the content for your ebook. This is where you can incorporate a tool like ChatGPT to help brainstorm, draft, or even generate sections of your ebook's content. For instance, if you're writing about how to start a side hustle, you could ask ChatGPT to outline steps, suggest topic ideas, or flesh out certain sections. This can really speed up the writing process and give you some inspiration if you're feeling stuck. Just remember, ChatGPT is a starting point. Always review and tweak what it gives you so it truly matches your voice and expertise. Once you've got your content ready, all you need to do is copy and paste it into your Canva doc. Take your time adjusting the formatting so everything fits nicely, change the fonts, colors, or add your own images if you want. Think of this stage as putting the finishing touches on a project. Little tweaks here make a big difference to how polished the final ebook will feel. And don't worry if it's not perfect yet, you can always move things around until you're happy. When you're finished proofreading and tweaking, it's time to get your ebook ready for sharing. Go to the top corner, hit share, and look for the option to download your file. To create an ebook, you'll want to download it as a PDF. The PDF format is basically the gold standard for ebooks. It will preserve your fonts, layout, and images no matter who's reading it or what device they're on. And that's it. You've just created your own ebook using Canva and a bit of AI assistance. Honestly, whether this is your first or your 50th project, it's always amazing seeing your ideas come together in a slick, shareable package. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop any questions you have down in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy ebook creating!